How's playing the Maharani?
It's an honor from a girl coming from South to be playing a Maharani. Yesubai is the most privileged and the most special thing that I could ask for in this lifetime. And I was just telling Lakshman sir, I feel like after this, I'm happy enough to retire.
The Maharani, it must be a deeply enriching experience for you. As I asked Vicky, what was a life-changing moment for you for this part?
Hi. Hi guys. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. मैं आंसर करूँ? Okay. पहले तो I remember being absolutely shocked कि how did Lakshman sir how did sir even think of giving me a role like this to play? I think I just surrendered because I didn't know, like Vicky said, you don't have a reference, right? You're like, it's a story, you know their story, and they're such majestical, impactful characters, personalities. How do you play them? I think for me specifically, I just surrendered, dived into what Lakshman sir wanted. There was of course a lot of rehearsals and practice in terms of language and everything. But it's just the trust you have on the team, because you know that if someone has to pull this off, you just should not have any sort of barriers of yourself. You just have to come here and say, sir, I am all in. Whatever you ask for, I'm here to deliver. And that's what you're seeing on screen today. Oh, thank you.
This is your first big budget huge with Medoc. You are a queen of blockbusters now. First choice of every production house, whether it's north, whether it's south. How has it been with Medoc? Also the second one, Tama, so it's like you are our favorite now.
I feel like Medoc is the only production house which can really get me out of my comfort zone. Dino sir will sit and say, this you have to do. As in, I'm like, me, you think I can do it? He will make sure that I do it and it looks like it's the best work till date. That's somehow, that's his power. Like, I think that also explains the box offices he's been delivering. But for me as an artist, it's a blessing that I get to work with people like Dino sir, Lakshman sir, Vicky, with the commitment and the dedication he has. I'm just considering myself extremely privileged and extremely lucky right now. And I'm not someone who tears up generally, but looking at this trailer, I'm like, I'm on the edge right now. I'm like, don't lose it.
जो रही है महाराष्ट्र की, वो अपने वॉरियर्स के साथ खड़ी रही है हमेशा. उनकी भी एक बहादुरी वाली हिस्ट्री रही है. आपके लिए येसुबाई महारानी जी का किरदार जो था वो कितना मुश्किल रहा, उसके लिए आपकी तैयारी कैसी रही? और दूसरा सवाल, पैर पे चोट लगी है फिर भी आप यहाँ हैं, सो क्या स्पिरिट थी उसके?
ये तो राजी है.
हाय क्या बात है. मैम, क्या बोलूँ, it's one character जो you get only once in your lifetime, and I definitely would not miss this for the world. Secondly, today is the trailer launch of the most special film in my heart, and I wouldn't have given up coming to this trailer launch for anything else in the world. This is how much Chhaava the film, this is how much the team, this is how much the film means to me. Right now, even if I'm supposed to stand on 1 feet and travel all the way from Hyderabad to Bombay, I will still make it because I love them. I love the film. And for them, I will do anything. And Maharani, given that opportunity, I don't know how Lakshman sir again thought about it, but I'm telling you, this is one of the most special characters that I had the opportunity to play, and I hope I've done a good job, and I hope tomorrow you all like it, because this has been very, personal and close to you, but today I have tears in my eyes when I watch, Chhaava. So I'm really grateful, and I really want to just thank all the Marathas, all the we are everywhere, but today I'm a part of your family, and I hope you accept me.